Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala Rasulil Kareem. Today we will discuss the line angle and the point angles. A line angle is formed by the junction of two crown surfaces. So this is an anterior tooth. This is the labial surface, and this is the mesial surface. So the mesial and the labial surface form the mesiolabial line angle. So an angle formed by the junction of two crown surfaces is the line angle. Its name is derived by combining the name of these two surfaces. When combining the name of the two surfaces, for example, the mesial surface and the labial surface, you have to drop this AL, drop it. So you write BZO. You have to write O here. BZO labial line angle. And substitute here this by an O. So here you have to write O. BZO labial line angle. Where two O coincide or they become adjacent, they are separated by a hyphen. For example, in case of posterior teeth, when there is disto-occlusal line angle in posterior teeth, you have to separate them by a hyphen. This is a hyphen. So these are the points or guidelines for writing the name of the line angles. So there are 8 line angles of a tooth, and these will be described. The line angle, first is the mesiolabial line angle. The line angle formed between the labial surface and the mesial surface is the mesiolabial line angle. The line angle formed between the mesial surface and the lingual surface is the mesiolingual line angle. The line angle formed between the distal surface and the labial surfaces, distolabial line angle. The line angle formed between the distal surface and the lingual surfaces, distolingual line angle. The line angle formed between the distal surface and the incisal surface is disto-incisal line angle. The line angle formed between mesial surface and incisal surface is Mesio-incisal line angle. The line angle formed between labial surface and incisal surface is labio-incisal line angle. The line angle formed between lingual surface and incisal surface is lingo-incisal line angle. So these are the 8 line angles of the anterior teeth. Coming to the line angles of posterior teeth. This is the posterior tooth. Coming to the posterior tooth, line angles are mesio-buccal line angle. Buccal surface and the line angle formed between the buccal surface and the mesial surface. Mesio-buccal line angle. Mesio-lingual line angle. The line angle formed between the lingual surface and the mesial surface. Distobuccal line angle. The line formed between the buccal surface and the distal surface. Distal lingual line angle formed between distal surface and the lingual surface is the distal lingual line angle. Bucco-occlusal line angle. Line angle formed between the buccal and occlusal surface is the this is the bucco-occlusal line angle. Bucco-occlusal line angle. The line angle formed between lingual surface and the occlusal surface is the lingo-occlusal line angle. This is the lingo-occlusal line angle. The line angle formed between the distal surface and the occlusal surface is the disto-occlusal line angle. This is the disto-occlusal line angle. The line angle formed between the mesio-occlusal line angle. This is the mesio-occlusal line angle. These are the 8 occlusal line angles of the posterior teeth. Coming to the point angles of the posterior teeth. A point angle is an angle formed by the junction of 3 crown surfaces. So the 3 crown surfaces meet to form a point angle. There are 4 point angles on a tooth. These point angles are named as follows. Mesio-labio incisal point angle. This the mesial, incisal and mesial surface, labial surface, incisal surface meet to form the mesial, labial and incisal meet to form mesio-labio-incisal point angle. Then disto-labio-incisal point angle. The distal labial and incisal surface meet to form a distal labio incisal point angle. Then there is mesiolingo-incisal point angle and distolingo-incisal point angle. So for 4 point angles on a posterior tooth. And also 4 point angles on a anterior tooth, 4 point angles on an anterior tooth, and 4 point angles on a posterior tooth. On the posterior tooth, the 4 point angles maybe these maybe are this is the posterior tooth. Mesio bucco-occlusal point angle, distobucco-occlusal point angle, mesiolingo-occlusal point angle, and distolingo-occlusal point angle, mesio-bucco-occlusal point angle, distobucco-occlusal point angle, mesiolingo-occlusal point angle, distolingo-occlusal point angle. So there are 4 point angles in the anterior teeth. Mesio labio-incisal point angle, distolabio-incisal point angle, mesiolingo-incisal point angle, distolingo-incisal point angle. 4 point angles in the anterior teeth. Mesio-bucco-occlusal point angle, distobucco-occlusal point angle, mesiolingo-occlusal point angle, distolingo-occlusal point angle. So these were all about the line angles and the point angles. Hope you have understood this topic.